Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about will Bitcoin go below that 10K mark? We definitely are going to look at different charts and answer some questions. So, if you're new to the channel right now, hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to learn from a guy that's been doing this going on 12 years, trading in markets and using technical analysis and price action to extract money out the markets. Okay, if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button right now. I actually trade full time the financial markets Monday through Friday, also swing trade crypto. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. For all you guys that's watching that replay, you can actually hit speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. Now let's get down to business. Let's see if I see anybody. I am outside, so you might hear some birds. So let's go and pop out that chat, and we are going to see who's in the building. Okay, so a couple of guys in the building so far. I'm trying to make this a quick live stream, and then we go from there. All right. So right now we on CoinMarketCap we are at 310 billion. Okay. The dominance is at 60, so it's dropping a little bit. So we have some red going on. Okay. Nothing too much, but we are pulling back. We are pulling back. A couple of coins are up a little bit, but let's look at some charts. Let's see what's going on in the crypto market. Okay, so Bitcoin itself is pulling back. I told you guys before on my other live stream, my last live stream, that I was expecting Bitcoin to make a new low. Okay, another move to the downside, and we made that new low. So we have to see what these guys want to do. Most likely, they probably will continue to go down. We'll see. Okay, but most likely they're gonna probably bring it up a little bit first, and then probably go back down. All right, so let's go to that 4-hour chart to see where they can actually try the what only where I'm looking at right here. Okay, is these breakouts right here. So I'm looking at where these guys will go to take out stops, right? And if you look at that, we had this breakout right here. Okay, we went up, we took these guys stops out, right? We stopped these guys out, and now we're going lower. So most likely we're probably going to have another leg down. If we have another leg down, most likely we're going to probably go for these guys that went long right here. Okay, so that's around, I don't know, 80, 88. All right. So the next question is, if you look at the big picture on a daily chart, can we find support out of this breakout right here? Okay, can we find support? Can Bitcoin go something like this, find support, and make a new high? So we have to see. Keep an eye on that. All right, but right now it looks like it wants to make lower lows. We might go up first before we make another low. So keep that in mind. But I think they probably want to break the 10,000 mark. Right now they probably are, in my opinion, probably are getting a lot of people to buy that 10K level, because most people probably believe it's not gonna, or if they see the 10K level holding, they probably gonna buy that level, hoping that that level is not going to break. But I think they are going to break it. And if we find support right here, we have to see if they want to go past that 10,000 mark. So let's say we find support right here, and then all of a sudden we find resistance at that 10K mark. That's definitely not a good sign. But that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's go with Litecoin. Let's see what's going on with those other coins real quick. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Let me see here. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in, though. Litecoin had a nice little pullback, so I definitely expect Litecoin to make another low. Okay, so Litecoin can actually go below, maybe below that 100 mark. All right, that's a possibility. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash. We probably could bring it up here, maybe for that left shoulder. We'll see. We will see. XRP, what's going on with that? XRP is trying not to go below the 30 cents. Okay, it's flirting with this. So we'll see. We'll see if XRP has some legs tomorrow. It might, like I said, I'm definitely expecting another move. Probably they might bounce a little bit. So we have to see if that bounce is legit. Okay, and they want to continue to go up. But I definitely expecting probably another sell-off. Because we didn't really have a red month in a long time, so this could actually be a red month. Let me see here. All right, good to see you guys. If you guys new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, type in your questions. I will get to you guys later. So that's pretty much it. Really don't want to look at anything else right now. Trying to make this as quick as possible. So let me see here. Let me give you guys a round of applause, and then we'll go to the questions. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope you guys had a great weekend. So let's see if I see any questions. Type it in. Hit those like buttons. Okay, your finger's not gonna fall off. Hit those like buttons. And let's see who's in the building. V, Flung, Mason, Travis. Good to see you guys. TB, dollar signs. Damn, what's going on, damn it? Bobby, DeAndre, what's going on, guys? So if you have any questions, let me know. I believe that it looks like they want to go below that 10K mark. It just looks like it. I mean, we might find temporary support from the 10K mark, but eventually it probably will break it to go below. I'll be shocked if these guys don't try to at least test this little tiny breakout or this big breakout right here. Let me see here. So type in your questions. Let me read these chat rooms. V said back to 3K. Mike said, so I had to buy a new engine for my course. Unfortunately, but as soon as I get some extra cash, I'm getting your course. Okay, no problem, Mike. No problem, bro. Let me see. BTC to the moon, but first to the ground. No trolling, just saying that's how YouTubers are. Barbecue coin, Travis. Ken, what's going on? When you say these guys, are you talking about the Wells? Yeah, I'm just talking about the people that control the market, you know. You know, the big dogs. The guys that know what's going on behind the scenes, you know. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm looking for some more selling. We really didn't have a red month. I mean, last month was selling, but we actually pushed up first, and then we sold off. So I'm expecting another probably official red month. I mean, we've been pushing up for going on what, maybe 6 months. So you have to expect something, some type of sell off. Now, when we get that sell off, then we have to see if this is like a legit sell off or just a pullback. But no matter what, I mean, you should still profit from each direction. Okay. Some of you guys still don't know how to do that, so make sure that you understand the charts so you can profit from the direction, east, up or down. So let me see if I see any more questions. Type in your questions, guys, please. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let me see here. Let me see here. Do you have a personal favorite coin? No, Mike. I don't have no favorite coin. The way I treat this market is, like a single man. I just date these coins, and whenever I finish, I just go to the next coin. I'm not really trying to marry any coin. Honestly, I'm the same way with the stock market or any market. It fits me. I'm a type of guy that I know I can make money from the short-term movement, and I'd rather take advantage of that than waiting 5-10 years down the road hoping. Most people just don't understand. Even though you're waiting 5-10 years down the road, nothing is guaranteed. Okay, so I'd rather learn how to make consistent gains from the market so I can pay bills, buy the things I want, go on vacation, live that laptop life. Okay, and that's about it. So I don't have a favorite coin. I'm not really into that. So I don't really care about the news, white paper, or if anything sounds good. I don't care about it. I care about the chart because the chart is going to tell me either we're going up or we're going down. And I'm trying to make I make money on both directions. Let me see. You said so hit it and then quit it. Yeah, man. Hit it and quit it, bro. Bang bang, I'm out. Deuces. Oh man. Let me see here. If I see any questions here. Altcoin Al said this was a great opportunity to sell. I took my profit and I'm planning to play the pullback. And yeah, so Al, I don't know if you are Al, or you are I don't know if you are in the private group that I have. If you are in the private group, basically I explained that to you guys yesterday. We had a private live stream yesterday, and I explained to you guys right now there's short opportunities, okay? And a couple of students made money off the shorts. I was explaining a couple of short setups. Ethereum sold off pretty nice. Definitely probably expecting some. The same way Bitcoin made that new low. You see how Bitcoin made a new low? Most likely I'm expecting Ethereum to do the same thing. So, but yeah, it's some aggressive short opportunities if you want to be aggressive. Let me see here. Was it 2-to-1 the only trade you took on oil? You talking about me, V? Today I took 2 trades I took the first one was a break even, and I took the second one was a 2-to-1. Yeah, so that was the only the only two trades I took. All right, let me see here. Let me read these other questions here. EOS BTC looking to break out a little. EOS BTC. Breakout where? I mean, it is pulling back, but you said breakout. I don't see any breakout. Not on a daily chart. Maybe on a smaller time frame it broke out. But it's going up. I mean, it could go higher too. Let me see these other questions here. And if you're new to the channel and you don't know how to read the charts, that's what I do. Okay, so if you're definitely interested in that, hit that subscribe button. That's what I specialize in. I specialize in making money now in the markets, and I take that knowledge and help my subscribers and my students, accomplish that same skill, because most people in general are taught old school ways of making money. So that's why a lot of people scream hodl, they scream buy and hold, they scream buy the dips. That's, there's nothing wrong with that, but that's an old school way of making money. If you want to learn how to live that laptop life, you're going to have to stop being lazy, study the charts, understand the movement and how the market moves, so you can take advantage of these short-term swings. So that's what I specialize in. If you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. All right. Let me see here. Questions. I'm getting the day trading course next. I'm trying to day trade futures. Okay. So shout out to you, Al. Trying to day trade futures. A lot of people love that, man. A lot of my students love it. Actually, a lot of them love it way better than cryptos. I was trying to, tell a lot of people, trading futures is just absolutely amazing. What's going on, Bobby? Bobby's a straight savage. So you making money every day with this? Mike, I trade the futures market, so I make money with that. I day trade that. I don't day trade futures. I swing trade them. I mean cryptos. I don't day trade cryptos. I swing trade them, and I day trade the futures market. So when you swing trade, you basically looking to make money either bi-weekly or monthly. Yes, I'm in a private group. Okay, shout out to you, bro. Did you Did you come yesterday? Did you come yesterday, Altcoin Al? So let's address Michael Goldman real quick. But before we address Michael Goldman, if anybody wants to learn how I'm able to do this full time, go get my new course, Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. I'm doing a live stream discount for you guys all the way until July 4th. So even if I when I get off a live, you still will be able to get the live stream discount, and I will have this open all the way to July 4th. So pick that up. Here's that link. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this full time, how I'm able to take advantage of this market. I never went to college. I barely graduated from high school. If you want to learn how I'm able to do this, take advantage of this short term or this market, take advantage of it, these short term swings. Come join us this Sunday. We actually gonna have another private live stream, the last one. You would get all the recordings because I had a mentorship with my group, okay? Because I wanted to make sure you guys are on the right or going to. I want to put you guys on the right track, so I decided to make or create a mentorship for you guys. So we had 3 weeks already. Next week, or actually this week coming up, is going to be the last week. But you will get all the recordings, all right? And the course comes with how to make money, either from the market going up or the market going down. So go grab that, and let's go to Michael. He probably left the live stream because usually people that make those comments, they leave the live stream. So Michael said, "What the F? Why do you always put the crybaby stuff in the thumbnails when the price is going down? Stop being negative. Stop. This should get people excited to accumulate crypto cheaper. Stop being negative. Man, I don't know how to read a chart, so I'm crying, man. Listen, bro. This is my channel. I can do whatever I want. Okay? So, it has nothing to do with you. And if you can't handle a crying emoji every time the market is going down, that means that this is not for you, bro. Investing is not for you. Okay? And I talk about people like you all the time. Most people in the crypto market always claim that they are long-term investors. But as soon as the market goes down, guys, these guys always crying, always complaining, always saying, why me? Always blaming it on the wells, but they don't blame themselves. They don't blame nobody else. I mean, they blame everybody else but themselves. He said, I'm being negative. Meanwhile, my students is making money. I'm making money. I know how to make money in both directions. So what you have to do, Michael, all right, is you have to stop blaming everyone else. Take full responsibility and learn how to read the charts. Because once you learn how to read the charts, you're not going to be able, or you're not going to cry about the market going down. Because that means money. All right? Just because you don't know how to do that and you're too lazy to figure out how to do that, doesn't mean you have to take your anger out on people. All right? So, shout out to Michael and everybody else that thinks like Michael. It's time to grow up, take full responsibility, and stop being lazy and learn how things work. All right? Let me see if I see any more questions. Should I move to Puerto Rico or South America? What exchanges do you recommend for US? Nah, bro. I mean, you talking about for crypto? I mean, they have different crypto. I honestly, I don't give any recommendations on brokers, so I can't recommend any broker. Okay, but you can. There's a lot of forex brokers that you're able to trade crypto with. You know, so you can still be in the U.S. and be able to trade other brokers. I mean, other exchanges that allows you to trade crypto. All right, you can ask people in the chat room too. What's good, man? What courses are you offering tonight? Jeffrey, I'm offering the same course, which is the Crypto Profit Grabber 3.0. All right. Like I said before, that course will help you navigate through the market and help you make more money and understand how things work. Mike said, "Do you have discounts on your futures program or only the crypto?" I already have the crypto. Yeah. Basically only on the crypto. Oh, you been out traveling, Mike? I mean, okay, now. Okay, no problem. I hear you. V said, "Getting Ben's course is like getting 12 years experience simplifying trading videos." Shout out to you, V. Does your course comes with a Discord? Yes, my course comes with a Discord room. And if you have any questions, you can contact me too. All right. Sorry, Ben. I should have left that guy's comment here. That's cool. No problem. Alex said, "Can I buy your class with crypto?" Yes, Alex. So if you want to buy my class with crypto, here's my email address. All right. And let me see. Here's my email address right here, Alex. So just email me right now so I know that you was on the live stream. Here we go, Ben Will. So I just gave you my email address in the chat room, okay? Let me see here, other questions here. Vogel said, "Ben, I've been listening to you for 3 years, bruh. You always have said when it breaks 10, you will be bullish. Now are you bullish?" So, Vogel, right? If you've been listening for me for 3 years, you know that I never said that. Okay? And if I ever said that, actually give me the link to the video where I personally said something like that, and I will PayPal you $1,000. All right? I said that if Bitcoins go to 10K, okay, we have to hold that level. You can't just listen to one part and forget the next part. I said Bitcoin goes to 1K. 10K. We just can't go to 10K. Okay, it has to go to 10K, hold that level, consolidate, make new highs. Are we doing that? We blew past 10K, but we pulled back. All right, so no. Nice try though. Nice try. David, what's going on, David? David said, "Sup, Ben? Your homie said, well, we would get your course if we could. Let me get a discount when I get out." What's up, bro? I hear you, bro. What's going on, Michelle? Good to see you here, Michelle. Vogel said, "We have crashed, consolidate above 10K. You got to be bullish." Okay. Vogel, I know for a fact that you do not study how you don't study the charts and you don't know how to read the charts. All right. And I'm not saying that to be mean or anything. I'm just saying I just reading your statement or your comment, I can tell that you don't know exactly what you're talking about when it comes to the charts. Okay? We didn't consolidate yet. We went above 10K and we pulled back. Where you see consolidation? I'm seeing pullbacks. Anyway, let me go back to it's funny how I bought trading because of you. I used to follow all these hodl gains. I used to follow all the Holo Games guys, and I used to read the white paper, the news. Shout out to you. Anybody on this live stream, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. All right. And it's sad, bro. Honestly, it's sad that a lot of people are stuck on the news. They stuck with that old mentality, buy and hold, ha ha ha. That's the old school way of making money. It works, but you still have to wait, right? You have to wait it out. Sometimes it's not 100% guaranteed. All right. So it's, you know, it's honestly, is to me, it's not really attractive. Most of you guys been waiting. Going on, it's going to be, if we pull back the way I think we're going to pull back, it's going to going to be, you know, going on 2 years. You guys haven't made any money. Okay. Bro, I can't survive if I don't make money. Like 2 years, you know, I need to make money. So it's time for you guys to wake up and you know, and ask yourself, man, are you tired of waiting? Are you tired of waiting? I mean, no, you know what I mean? Look at XRP. And I know a lot of people have all their money on XRP. All right? And it's just been going nowhere. Now, XRP does have the ability to break out and go to 60 cents. But that's all dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to, you know, continue to go up. But what I'm trying to say is a lot of other cryptos been running this whole year, and XRP is pretty much sideways, right? Meanwhile, you have people like me that knows how to make money from the markets, because we're not using that old school buy and hold hodl mentality. Okay? But you guys will never listen. You will always do the same thing over and over because you're too lazy. It's just what it is. Do you think BTC will continue to dump? It looks like it will continue to pull back. But we might find support somewhere around these breakouts. So we have to see if that support will hold. All right? If they want to hold that support. Hey, what's going on, Michelle? Good to see you here. How much would you recommend I start to trade after taking your course? You're talking about the swing trading course? You don't have to start a lot just to get your feet wet. Okay, that's the name of the game. It's not really how much you start. It's getting that experience. All right, getting that experience, Mike, is your is the most important thing, because you can start with 30 grand and blow it. Okay, just because you're not following your rules, you're rushing, you're doing a lot of stupidness, right? So it doesn't really matter how much you start with. Okay, it depends on you, how much you want it, how disciplined you are. If you're going to follow your rules, are you going to chase the market just because your favorite YouTubers say we are going to 80K tomorrow and you buy, but your rules, your trading strategy is telling you not to buy, but you still buy it. Okay. So it doesn't really matter how much you have, bro. You can start with a small amount. Just get the experience. All right. Binance is banning U.S. guys with a good platform, phone number. You said, phone trader. What is a good? David, email me, bro. I don't even look at the news yet, man. The news is whack, bro. I'm quite sure you can ask the XRP boys. Do they believe in news? Ask them. Ask the XRP boys. Do they believe in news? Because they've been getting good news forever, and that thing's been going sideways like a mother. So it is what it is, man. That's why you have to learn how to read the charts. What's going on, Sean? Good to see you here. TJ, what's going on? when XRP is going to moon. I mean, I guess whenever Bitcoin decides to hold support somewhere and pop up. Let's get that money. Or, you know, we'll see if these other, these altcoins want to have an altcoin season. We'll see. But right now, XRP is just trading sideways. Vogel said, you said that. Vogel, listen, for the last time, bro. Show me the video. Bring me this timestamp. And I will PayPal you. Just show me. Send me your PayPal address. And I will PayPal you $1,000. Smash. JDST. What's going on, Sean? CL's about to explode. $5 by tonight. I hear that. So, is that your quote, man? Is that your proof, bro? He said that I said if we can't even break 10K, we aren't in a bull market. What does that mean, bro? See, you failed to tell people the rest of the story. Okay, just because I said we can't, even though we can't break 10K, doesn't mean that when we break 10K, we are in a bull market. Listen to my videos, bro. You just can't pick out one little tiny part. And even that statement, even that quote right there doesn't even say that I'm bullish if it breaks 10K. Like you, bro, you're not even making any sense. What's going on, Aces? Aces, Ben, can I ask you a day trading question or just crypto? Yeah, you can ask me a day trading question. Go ahead, bro. Ben, do you trade on BitMax? No, I don't trade on BitMax. I trade on Forex broker. Altcoin outside, you must learn how to read the charts. If you don't know how, Ben has a great swing trading course with Discord. Yes, shout out to you. Got to go. Thanks. Shout out to you, Ben. I mean, shout out to you, Travis. Al said you got to get reps. Yes, man. You got to get those reps. What's up, Mike? Good to see you. Guys, get the course. It works your butt off. And work your butt off. Take profits. Yes, please take profits. Aces, are you still here? Are you still here, Aces? You said you wanted to talk about day trading or something like that? You said consider I'm a day trader. How long you typically sit in trades? I mean, every trade is different. Some trades I can be in a couple of minutes. Some trades might be for 10 minutes. Some trades might last for half an hour, depending on how slow the market is. But on average, I don't know, five minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. I'm in a position and I'm out. So Vogel said that really sucks. You think I'm not knowledgeable? I'm up big time. Been in crypto for 3 years. First buy on big. See, that's the problem with you guys, bro. That's the problem with you guys. You know, which I'm not gonna say nothing, but most of you guys that bought at the bottom, you think you know it. Okay, actually, we had that same thing last year, right? A lot of people was making a lot of money, all right? So they thought they was a genius, right? They thought they knew it all just because they got lucky and the market was going up. The market was going up, so of course you're gonna get lucky, right? Just because you bought low and you up doesn't mean that you know what you're doing. Okay, so let me ask you a question, Vogel. If Bitcoin drops below 700, what are you gonna do? Do you have a plan, bro? No. Like, come on, bro. Like you talking to a person that been doing this for so long. Because your strategy is based on buying dips. If we go below 700, you screwed, bro. Because I have proof that you just said buy the dips. I think one of your first comments was buy the dips. So you don't know what you're talking about because you buying the dips, bro. That's your strategy. So if we go below 700 and you're still buying the dips, what now? V, what's going on, V? V was hidden by Keith. Keith is in the building. What's going on, Keith? Keith, are you here? Keith, I don't know if you know that you somehow banned V either by mistake. All right, Bitcoin looks like it wanted to maybe go down a little bit more. We'll see. All right, so let's see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. How many vehicles how many vehicles do you day trade per day, or just crude? I do 6. Aces, you shouldn't be. I mean, in my opinion, you shouldn't be doing 6. You should just focus on 1. All right. And tax questions, I really can't give you advice on that. You just contact anybody that does taxes. They can help you out. I'm not qualified when it comes to taxes talking about that. But me, I only trade 1 vehicle. Okay, and honestly, you should trade 1 vehicle too, in my opinion, because you're just starting off. It's not like you're doing this full time. You're still practicing. So where's Vogel at? Vogel is disappeared. You notice how he disappeared when I asked him that question? He disappeared when I asked him, hey man, what are you gonna do if Bitcoin goes below 700? He just disappeared. He's gone. I know he's in the background listening, but he's probably too scared to speak up. Guys, listen, if you don't want to be like Vogel or anybody else that just only think that the market will never do anything but go up, okay, this channel is not for you, bro. If you want to learn how to escape the matrix, learn how to live a laptop life, okay? And learn how to make money from the markets, not just only buying and holding, guys. There's other ways to make money, all right? Listen, guys, I'm born and raised from New York. If I take you to Wall Street right now, you will be amazed. Your head would spin around. Okay, your head will spin around when you see, okay, the amount of money these guys make per day trading. Okay, While your guys are saying, hodl, man, I don't care. I don't care if it goes to zero. I don't care, bro. Hodl to zero, hodl to zero. While you're waiting 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, there's people sitting right in front of a computer making money daily. And you don't want a piece of that? I can't deal with you. You feel me? So this channel is not for you. If you don't have the motivation, the willpower, or if you feel that you don't deserve to make more money, right? If you feel like you don't deserve to make more money, I don't want to be around you, bro. That means you don't believe in yourself. Okay, that means that you don't believe in yourself. So if you don't believe in yourself, why should I be around you? I don't need you as a subscriber. You think Donald Trump, Mark Zuckerberg, all these billionaires hang around people that don't believe in themselves? Heck no. Why do I want to hang around people that's going to bring me down? That doesn't make any sense. Guys, there's money out here right now, right in front of your face. Stop being lazy. It's not my fault you lazy. But anyway, I'm about to get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's subscribed to me. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I love all my subscribers. I love anybody that's trying to improve themselves. Somehow Volgo just left because he can't handle the heat. He know that his strategy is flawed because if Bitcoin goes below 700, he can't recover. And listen to what I'm saying. I'm not saying Bitcoin will go below 700. I'm saying if it goes below 700, you don't even have any type of strategy that will allow you to recover from that. All right. So talk to you guys later. If you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button and get this course. We are going to have another private live stream this week, Sunday. Check out this course right here. It will help you understand how to make money now from the markets. I specialize in making money now. I don't care about 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years down the road. Bro, that's too much to think about. Okay? Too much to think about. I also have a day trading course. You will see my students making money daily. Okay? You see me making money daily. Guys, there's money right in front of your face. You just don't want to accept it. You're too lazy. You want to be on Facebook or read the news or do something stupid that's not going to get you, ahead in life. Talk to you guys later. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. I'll call Al, so he disappeared. Yeah, man. Bye, bro. See you later. He don't know what to say. That's why. Boy. V said, very entertaining, educational live streams. Ben, shout out to you. Ben is right, though. So what's going on, Torrance? Ken said, I got to rethink buying a dip hollow strategy. I need laptop life. Yes, bro. It's right in front of you. You just got to practice. Get the right information. Okay? Honestly, guys, our grandparents, our parents, our great-great-grandparents, they didn't have this opportunity. So just think about that. If this say that, right, your great-great-grandparents could actually come back right now and talk to you. Do you really think that they would say, yo, are you, I'm quite sure they will sit you down and say, hey, bro, there's so much information online, on the internet. Why are you not taking advantage of that? Back in my days, we didn't have that, okay? We had to work. We had to be slaves. We had to do all this extra stuff. We didn't have this information right in front of us. So why are you not taking advantage of this? They would probably scream on you saying, yo, bro, what are you doing with your life? You ain't doing nothing. Anyway, let me see if I see any more questions. Vogel said he been here 3 years and he never bought a course. That's how you know, bro. He been here 3 years and never bought a course. You know, or even if he ain't buy a course, he still didn't study how to read his charts. Okay, you still didn't study how to read the charts. All right, I'm about to get out of here. Let me see. Ace says made $600 yesterday before 10:30 on the demo. Man, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to everybody that's here practicing, trying to change your lives, because you know that we live in an era where we have information right in front of us. We have access to the internet, and we can actually make money on our laptops, guys. Come on. We can go anywhere around the world. And if you ain't taking advantage of that, I don't want to mess with you. Unsubscribe. You know, I can't hang around people that can't, that don't even believe in themselves. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a great day. Hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can email me. Make sure you get that course. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys. I love all my subscribers.